All right, guys. So right back at you guys today. This is Bob from Food Use, and right now I came back from McDonald's. But yeah, this video is about KFC. But I just want to make a point about McDonald's first. Okay, I went to McDonald's and I got the app and I got the mobile order. Some they have some good deals, but you got to order by mobile and stuff now to have the deals. So I got myself a unsweetened tea and a sandwich for $1, which is cool. But I want to know if you guys do this all the time. Are you supposed to tip the person that comes to the window that brings your order? I mean, it's only like a few steps from the store itself. I mean, the restaurant. I don't know if you call McDonald's a restaurant, but maybe it is. Are you supposed to give him a tip or something? Because I haven't, and the guy looks at me like, where's my tip? Anyways, I got my unsweetened tea because no way in hell am I gonna spend $2 for a drink at KFC for a meeting when I get a large unsweetened tea for $1 at McDonald's. All right, come on, KFC. All right, so I went to KFC and I got myself the Smoky Mountain something. What's in here? Oh yeah, my mashed potatoes I got. So I took the mashed potato option instead of the potato wedges that I usually get. I love potato wedges. By the way, this is my sandwich that I got for $1 at McDonald's. This double fillet of fish. The cost is like 5 something, but I got it for $1, so that's cool, right? All right, so this is my Smoky Mountain. Hey man, why are you mixing up McDonald's and KFC? Well, because, like I said before, I need my drink, my unsweetened tea. So here we go. This is the best thing that ever happened to KFC right now. This sauce right here, the sweet and tangy sauce. So all I can say is, that's what I mean. So here's I got some tenders because, I'm tender by heart. I'm a tender kind of guy. I mean, I like bone-in chicken and stuff, but I got the Smoky Mountain tenders, see? All right, flavors of the South. All right, got the moonroof going, or sunroof, whatever you call it. And so get some light in this place because, what time is it now? It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But anyway, this is the Smokey. What the? Let's see what this says. Yeah, Smoky Mountain Tender right here. Smoky Mountain Tender. So why does this look like the other option? Maybe it is. Let's try it out. Because let's try out the Smoky Mountain Tender right here. Isn't it supposed to be more brown? I don't know. It looks kind of orange. But whatever. Let's just try it out. I asked if it wants some pickles. I told him yes because what the hell, right? So let's take a bite out of this. Dig up some of this juices that's down there at the bottom, not doing anything. Here's some of that juicy Smoky Mountain flavor. Okay. All I got to say is kind of sweet. Definitely not spicy. It's not bad. What about again? Let's save that part. Let's save that answer. I'll finish with my food. Let me save that answer until the end of the video. Okay? Because I don't want you guys skipping out on me. You understand? Watching other people eating videos when I got you right here, Got some pickle in. A biscuit. All wetted up with that sauce. Give it a lick. Now, what do I think about it? You know, these tenders are kind of small though, right? I mean, look at that. The gravy's all right, but look at that white meat chicken in there. Like I said before, you know, if it ain't white, you know, it ain't right. So I like my white meat. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like dark meat too, but something about white meat here is very, very satisfying, you know. Well, take a look at that. For my iced tea. Goes good with the iced tea. All right, let me finish eating my food because it's about time. It's about that time of the video where it's time to stop eating. No, it's time to stop talking and start eating. You understand? It's not bad. If you see me chewing funny, it's because my wisdom teeth here in the back is kind of, I don't know, it's getting loose or something, because, I don't know, something like that. It pains a little bit, so I gotta be careful chewing hard stuff. So I'm gonna try to ease it down a little bit. That's why I got some tenders. Oh, snap. Almost forgot my mashed potatoes, yo. Alright, so I got one Smoky Mountain left, so I'm gonna go try this this KFC moment right here. But since I got my fillet of fish just looking at me, not doing anything from Mickey D's, he probably wants some love, so I'm gonna give it a bite too, cause all right, so got some extra love. So right here is my gooey spoon with all kind of white stuff all over it. I'm gonna eat this mashed potatoes because, ooh, yeah, there he goes. Some of that gravy. I don't know if you can see it. Some of that gravy. Hold on a second, man. Hold on a second. See some of that gravy about to fall out. So I'm gonna eat this mashed potatoes. I mean, I love potato wedges, but need something soft, you know. A lot of gravy on this. Look at that. Look at all that gravy. Put it to the side. Take another bite of my fillet of fish right here that I got. Back to the Smoky Mountain. So this here, damn, it's 9 minutes already. Wow. All right, so here I am with the last tender, Smoky Mountain barbecue tender right here. Gotta pick up all of this juicy, the juicy stuff left behind here. Look at that. Look at all that juiciness. Take a bite of this juicy biscuit right here. Why is it showing like that? All right. So, these tenders are all right, you know. I mean, they're, yeah, you know, they're all right, you know. But it's good though. It's all right, but it's good. I like it a lot. Take this last pickle, put it on my last barbecue, Smoky Mountain tender. What I like about KFC, they always seem to give me napkins, which is good. All right, so anyway, I got my biscuit here, last biscuit here. There's only one biscuit, but it's the last one. Look at that. It's amazing stuff. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a I give it a 4 actually. But would I buy it again? Probably not. It's good though. Yeah, so back to my mashed potatoes right here. Since the video is getting too long right now, I'm just gonna take a sip of my iced tea and a bite of my fillet of fish, double, and say right back at you guys, Bob for Food Use, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, take care.